So I went to a new client yesterday. I was cleaning their pool, and as soon as I got there, I tested the pool, right? And they were so amazed. They were telling me, Ken, the previous guy we had did not even test the water at all. And you come in here and you test the water off the bat, you're amazing. You're hired. And what I was and I asked them, like, how come you guys don't like the other guy besides not testing? And they said, the couple said, it was a couple. They said, it's because we don't like them. He doesn't talk to us. He doesn't do his job really well. He does okay, but he doesn't do it to the way we want it. And also, we don't like him because he doesn't talk to us. And you just came here and you started talking to us for like 20-30 minutes. We're having fun. You're making us laugh. We're doing all this. We like you. You're hired. And I'm going to refer you to everybody I know. So bottom line is, with this business, with any kind of service business, it's not really about how good you are. That's still a factor of how good you clean or how good you provide your service. But the biggest factor is, if they don't like you, they're not going to go with you. Period. You can do a phenomenal job, but if they hate you, they're not going to go with you again. All right? Just remember that.